Hi,
Hi,
hi.
how are you? I'm so sorry for all these technical issues and problems, but it's good to see you.
No, good to see you too. Not at all. I always struggle with this thing too. So yeah,
So, Rahul, I can see a lot of your friends. I'm fans. I'm sure they're not that excited about seeing me, but they're very excited about talking to you.
oh
So,
no, of
what
course.
did I do? You're outdoor. You look like you're having a good
Yeah,
time.
I was. No, I was at dinner. Obviously, it's 9:30 here. You've just woken up, and yeah. So I just come to meet some friends of mine because I've been away for five and a half months.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
you since the IPL.
Yeah. Since we left home for the IPL, which was August 20th, and yeah, just
So,
got back home.
first, I just want to apologize to all our fans. I want to thank them. Thank you very much for waiting
Yeah.
and being patient. And sorry, yaar, ye thoda time laga with this Insta live.
Yeah.
But I'm here. Everyone's here. Rahul's looking dapper and good with his hat and his. Is it cold in Bangalore?
Yeah, it is. It is about 18, 20 degrees something. Yeah, it's
Nice.
nice. It's nice and cold. Yeah,
So,
love being back home.
so
Love the Bangalore weather.
somebody saying hello, brother. Can you see the comments? How's
Oh
your
no,
wrist, sir?
rest. I mean, yeah, it was very unfortunate. And as players, this is something that we don't enjoy. We really dread getting injured and missing out on important matches and important tours. So yeah, very unfortunate. But as players, we've learned that we need to look at it in look at it in a positive way and try and heal and get fitter and come back stronger. So yeah, I'm on that journey now to get better soon and get back in in the blue colors.
I'm sure. So I'm going to read out questions for you because you're
Oh
out
yeah,
for. So, how would you say the same thing in Canada?
sorry.
How would you say the same thing in Canada?
In, I mean wrist injury. Uh, wrist injury ಇಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಬೇಜಾರಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಎನಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬಟ್ ಬೇಗ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
That's awesome. It sounds
Yeah.
kind of cool.
Yeah.
So,
Now don't ask me to say the same thing in Punjabi because I won't be able to. Yeah. Yeah.
well, Punjabi is an attitude. As long as you have the attitude, you're fine. Because Punjab
Yeah.
is a big-hearted, large-hearted attitude.
Yeah.
So,
That I do have, but I can't show it on the live. I hope the fans have seen that in the way we've played for the last 2 3 years for Kings 11, and my journey has been so wonderful with Kings.
so tell me that. Do you have any New Year
Japs.
resolutions? I'm reading out questions from people, so it's easier. So, do you have any New Year resolutions?
I mean, not really. No. I
No.
mean, The Japs are commenting.
Yeah, you can
Man-
see that.
yeah, I can see Mandeep, Arshdeep, and
Jobs.
yeah, Japs.
Yeah, that's an inside joke, by the way.
Yeah,
Brrrah.
yeah. I miss
And
those boys. I miss our dressing room. Man. Can't
yeah,
wait to get back.
yeah, I miss the boys too. I don't
Yeah.
miss the 2 week quarantine that I had to do.
No. None of us do. You
Huh?
did twice. We had to go back again and do it in Australia.
Your quarantine? Really?
Yeah,
But
for 14 days.
you still had to do it?
Yeah. We had to, but it was active quarantine, so we were allowed to go and train for a couple of hours and then come back in and then yeah.
So, tell me about like being home. I think, we
Oh,
always talk it all the time when we meet. So,
yeah. I
how is
mean, I think the pandemic, the lockdown actually um, spoiled me a little because I had not spent so much time at home. I don't I don't think ever since I started playing cricket since I was 12, 13. I'd always be away from home. There would be some camps or there would be matches or if we were not playing cricket, I had to go back and write exams. So I never spent time at home uh, without having to do anything, where I can just chill and spend time with my mom and dad, with my sister, with my dog, um, and just um, yeah, just be free and just enjoy my downtime. So that it spoiled me. So now being away for 5 months was a little tough, but I'm happy um, I've come back now, but and spend some time with my family again, and yeah.
So same for me. My joke is कि मैंने 9 months एक जगह में, the only time I spent was in my mom's stomach because after that never been around because
Yeah.
I've never been out of India for 14 months. I'm like kind of just waiting to come back. So
Yeah.
somebody's also
But
sent that भाई हिंदी में बोलो तो हिंदी में बात करते हैं थोड़ी. हाँ
हाँ,
हिंदी
चलो
कैसे
हिंदी
आप.
में बात करते हैं. मैं यही बोलने वाला था कि अगर हम लोग आई थिंक इतना बिजी रहना भी एक वी नीड टू बी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट दैट. आई सर्टनली एम दैट इतना मतलब जो ड्रीम था मेरा एज अ यंग बॉय टू प्ले क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया, तो उसके साथ जो भी आता है बिजी रहना या फैमिली से नहीं मिलना, मिसिंग मॉम्स फूड, ऑल दिस इज फॉरगॉटन.
तो मतलब आधी हिंदी में तो आधी अंग्रेजी डाल दी आपने.
इंग्लिश इंग्लिश मैं
तो
इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा.
याद आ रही है, घर में पहली बार रहे हो आप, बहुत शुक्रगुजार हो कि आपको ऐसा टाइम मिला. पर एक्चुअली आई नो मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर वेरी लकी कि हमारे पास हम अपनी फैमिली के पास रह सके, घर में रह सके, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं हुई. बिकॉज बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई. So we should be very, very grateful. And now coming up to some questions for Kings 11. I mean, of course, it's a secret right now, so you can't reveal it. But lots of new things coming from in Kings 11. I
Yeah.
cannot say it. But are you excited about this new season? And are you open to taking suggestions from our fans as to what we should do with the team and what we should do
Of
with the
course,
squad?
of course, I'd be more than happy. Um, yeah, I can just see someone's messaging how's Jumbo's inputs as a coach. Obviously, I think he's been such a great inclusion for our setup, for our team. Somebody who's had so much experience, and I've played under him before as well. So when I knew that he's becoming our head coach, I was thrilled. I was very happy, and I would, uh, I knew that my first time as a captain would be made easy because of Anil Bhai, and he's been fantastic with the group and with everybody.
Sarfaraz
Yeah.
just sent you a message saying, Rahul Bhai looking stunning.
Thanks, Sarfu.
Sarf-
Sarfu's actually the
you should
Sarfu's actually the
to him.
selfie king of Kings 11. Um,
So who was the most fun? Who was the most mad and the most fun? कौन सबसे ज़्यादा
मेरे को एक्चुअली आई मीन सबसे ज्यादा एंटरटेनिंग हमारे किंग्स 11 सेटअप में से टू बॉयज, क्रिस गेल एंड मनदीप सिंह.
Ali?
हर्षदीप ऑल्सो इज वो अभी अभी खुल रहा है, क्योंकि वो ही इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट ईयर जब वो आया था वो थोड़ा आई मीन ही वाजंट रियली शाय, but the last season he was very like a lot more confident, was सबके टांग खींच रहा था. He was just making sure everybody's having a lot of fun. So yeah, the Jabs boys also are
Boys, हाँ वो
yeah,
तो boys को लाके पूछना पड़ेगा कि जब्स क्या है अपने fans
yeah,
के.
yeah.
Uh,
They're
uh, so how was
वो
your experience? Tell me, were you nervous being captain for the first time? I mean, it is a big platform.
yeah.
Were you excited? Were you
I
nervous?
I was very very excited. I won't. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, क्योंकि ये चीज तो सबके माइंड में रहता ही है कि what if I'm not don't do justice to the role that's been given to me, क्योंकि it's a big responsibility to lead a team, and everybody looks up to your leadership and looks up to you for guidance, for answers, for for everything. So I always wanted to take up that role, but I was nervous, and to make it, and the start we had last season didn't make it easy at all. पहले ही मैच में सुपर ओवर, फिर सेकंड मैच अच्छा गया, उसके बाद अगेन the match against Rajasthan where we scored 230 and then we couldn't defend it. तो 4-5 मैच पहले ही हार जाना, फिर उसके बाद यू नो एक रन से हारना, double super over, 5 wins in a row. So I don't think any new captain would have had such a exciting and such a fun run. So yeah, I'm grateful that it जो भी मेरे को शायद 2-3 सीजन में सीखने को मिलता है, या 2-3 सीजन में I would have had to go through those many things. I think I went through that in one season with the Kings. It was exciting. It was a roller coaster throughout. So it was good fun.
So I have a question जो कि मैंने आपसे पहले था कि what happened जब you and पूरन were on the ground और पूरन ने end में चौका मारा या छक्का मारा and
छक्का
और आप जमीन पे बैठ गए. What was that?
क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट मैच में भी we needed 1 run from 3 balls when Mayank was batting against Delhi, and from the dressing room we kept I mean, you can't really tell the batter what to do, but all of us just kept saying that just take a single and finish the match, don't try to be a hero. That was what we were thinking, all of us. But Mayank, he was in such a flow, he hit that shot and he got out, and we needed 1 or 2 balls. Jordan was on strike. We're like, just take a single, just hit and run. I know it's easier said than done, but pressure अलग ही चीज है जब बैट्समैन बीच में रहते हैं. The pressure is very different, and then we lost. We couldn't make 1 run in 3 balls. So when Pooran came to bat, we'd already lost, I think, 5 out of our 6 games, and we were in a position where we needed to win all our games. So when Pooran came in, we were sailing actually. Me and Chris batted really well, and we were in a very comfortable position. We needed 2 runs of the last over, and looking here, there, within a blink of an eye, I'm like, we need 1 of 1. And I'm like, how the hell did we manage to do this again for the 3rd or 4th time in the season? So when Pooran came in, I said, Nikki, I don't know what you're going to do. Just, whatever you do, hit the ball along the ground and run. Don't try and hit a 6. You want to sweep, reverse sweep, whatever shot you want to play, just hit it along the ground and let's run. He's like, he looked at me for a couple of seconds. He looked around. I knew he wasn't going to listen to me, and then he stepped out and he barely hit a 6. So I was like, God, why can't we win a game of cricket with ease? So I just sat down there thinking, no, we did not do that again. I think हम लोग को एक लेबल ही मिल गया था लास्ट टाइम कि हमारे वजह से TRP ज्यादा हो रहे हैं लोगों के. The heart rates were always high when they were watching Kings 11.
I know, fans को तो छोड़ो, मुझे I was like, and तो I think अगली बार आप लोगों को sign बना देना चाहिए. If you want the player to take 1 run, you should just stand in the stands and go. If you want you should go. And you should just make a sign. But yes, I think it was very exciting. For the fans enjoyed it, because जब हमने games, I was sitting out there watching the games and my heart was in my mouth. I didn't know what was coming. But I still am really happy that the best game ever, any IPL game, any T20 games it ever had was our game with Mumbai. It was amazing. And full marks to Mumbai also, because they're such they fought till the end, and that's why champions all through, because it's like they didn't give up, and neither did we, and that was amazing. But I thought it was amazing spirit. That's
why Mumbai Indians are a champion team, I think, because they always play the game in the right spirit. They never give up, and they're a quality side. And we've always enjoyed our little rivalry, little competition with Mumbai Indians. So, and I don't think this will ever be done again in IPL or in cricket history, where two super overs will be played. So two of the most exciting teams in IPL managed to do that. So I hope we don't ever repeat that ever.
I hope
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
I was like this. मुझे खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है because
Yeah.
वो कभी देखा ही नहीं है दो सुपर ओवर्स तो मुझे
Correct.
खुद
Yeah. It was the first time it happened. So हम लोग को भी we had to go to the umpires and keep rechecking what the rule is कि next क्या होगा. And yeah, so
एक बार तो मैंने सेलिब्रेट किया when ये then I realized कि अरे मुंबई भी सेलिब्रेट कर रही है तो ये what's
yeah,
happening?
yeah,
Then
yeah,
1 second and nobody knew, so I know it
yeah,
was exciting, but
yeah,
it was wonderful to see our team fight the way they did, and
yeah,
I'm so proud the way you guys played, and there was this spirit among everybody
correct.
that you're
Yeah,
going to just go for it, and that was fantastic. And I
yeah,
think somewhere I must compliment you, Rahul. Your leadership was really good. You
thank
for
you.
time captain, you did some. You played really besides playing well, but you did captain the team really well. You brought them together, and of course, there are everybody is going to make mistakes and do well, and it's always a mixed bag of things.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you held things up really well, really, really. So,
That
are
I
you?
think उसके लिए credit हम लोग को. I mean, I'll be wrong if I don't credit my support staff, the coaches, the support group. You were there, Mohit sir, Ness, Satish sir. They were all they were all backing the team throughout. I remember you coming and giving us the pep talk after after we lost 5 games, and it was yeah,
Then you
which is sorry.
and
Yeah,
then you
then we
everything after that. So
yeah, then we won.
no, no jokes. But I think it was really good the way the boys came together and showed so much spirit.
Yeah,
And I
yeah,
think that's what we really want. That's what our fans want.
correct.
So this year, of course, you barely left the IPL, and now you're back again because it's part of back-to-back seasons lag rahe hain.
Yeah, yeah.
So, what's your thought? Are you excited? Are you excited about the auction? Are you wondering? Any thoughts?
I'm really looking forward to the auction, and obviously, that we've been on the phone quite regularly talking about who we need in the team, what are the combinations that we need to use, what are the mistakes we did last year, so try and fix that next year. So we've been doing a lot of brainstorming with the coaches, with the owners, and myself included, and few of the senior players of the team as well. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can we have a good auction, and then we can go out there. Like you said, we want to be a team that competes really hard. We want to play in the right spirit of the game, entertain our fans. We want to go out there. That's something that I told the team as well, that no matter win or lose, I always want to see boys smiling and having fun, and trying to entertain, and leave nothing behind. Every game, though it's a 14-game season, it can be quite long. That's something that the coaches and me always made sure that we played one game at a time, and we left everything we had on the field for that evening, for that night. So that's something that we want to continue doing. And that's the kind of culture that what we want to create in Kings 11.
Bilkul. So I want to talk about one other player who I'm a huge fan of. I've been a huge fan of, and I
बस
just
बस बस कितना compliment करोगे बस. I
I
can't take it more.
wait.
Oh, it's not about me. Okay, okay.
So it's not about you. It's about have to still go there. It's about Chris Gayle.
Yeah.
The Gale stop. How is it playing with him? I always, when I look at him, I'm just like, he just never ceases to amaze me. He's like unbelievable.
Yeah. उनका नाम Gale Storm है, but he brings such a sense of calm to the dressing room. It's quite hard to explain. His presence in the team, his presence in the dressing room, and he's such a massive player, and his presence is intimidating. For some of the boys who come into our team, the new boys, and for the oppositions, obviously it is, it's a
हिंदी में भी
when
प्लीज और थोड़ा बीच में पंजाबी भी डाल दो अगर आती है.
Punjabi, no. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to say something wrong. फिर fans गुस्सा कर देंगे फिर.
All the Punjabi boys have taught you. उन्होंने सब कुछ तुम्हें गलत सिखाया हुआ है ना, right?
नहीं गलत. I don't know. It's nice, but मैं अभी इतना जल्दी रिस्क नहीं लूंगा. अभी कैप्टन बनाओ, so I don't want to risk it. Yeah.
अच्छा, रिस्क नहीं लेते जाते तो क्रिस गेल, ऑफ कोर्स जिस टीम में क्रिस गेल हो उस टीम में तो मजा तो बहुत आता है, बिकॉज बहुत ही सच अ जोकस्टर. हमेशा जब भी मैंने को देखा, ही इज ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग, ऑलवेज लाफिंग. So, is he like that on the ground also? And
Yeah, he is more or less. Like, I think that is, I mean, just the things that I spoke about, that we want to give it all on the field. We want to express. We want to entertain the viewers. I think it's a lot to do because we have somebody like Chris Gayle in our team, and we've all seen what he's done over the years. He plays hard, parties harder, um, and he's just he has a lot of fun. And when he does well, everybody that's watching the game, has a smile on their faces because he enjoys himself on the field. He loves doing what he does. So that rubs off on everybody in the team. So yeah, he's a huge part of Kings 11, and he just keeps. The older he gets, the better his ball striking becomes. So yeah.
I know he's like unbelievable. I'd like to talk about another player. I'm not. I promise मैं सारे players के बारे में एक एक करके बात नहीं करूँगी. पर one player.
मेरा खाना भी ठंडा हो रहा है. I don't have time to speak about it. Yeah.
Okay. What about Ravi being such a young new player? And the reason मैं Ravi की बात कर रही हूँ because Chris is the most
Old.
experienced player,
Yeah.
and Ravi is Chris is the youngest player, by the way.
Yeah.
So he's the youngest in the lot, but Ravi is played under 19, comes and plays the IPL. कभी ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि ये first IPL game खेल रहा है. So how was it working with him?
He was something like you just mentioned. That he was so brave, and it was so heartening for me to see such a young boy turning up and being so brave on the field. Every time I threw the ball at him, he would be confident. He's like, Ravi, what do you want to do? And he always had plans कि अच्छा ये batsman है, मैं इसके लिए ये करूँगा, ये if not this, or if he was confused, he would come up to me and say, what do you think we should do? So he was very good. The control he showed with the ball, the attitude he had in the field, and the willingness to learn from somebody like Anil Kumble, who's the best leg spinner our country has produced, to just pick his brain and talk to him and work with him and develop maybe one or two new skills and just talk to him about a lot of things. So he was always somebody who worked really hard. And हमारे through the IPL, they have optional practices. अगर player थक गए हो, and if they don't want to do any skills, it's okay for them not to come for practice and just rest. But he would always be at every practice session trying to get better, trying to work on something. So I see him having a very bright future if he keeps his head down, and if he continues to have the same attitude and keeps working on his game. And he's a very sweet boy. Very soft-spoken, very shy and reserved outside the field, but on the field, though he's a small boy, he has a attitude of a lion. And
There he is saying hi, bhaiya.
This is one thing I can never. I'm not able to digest and able to I was the guy calling people bhaiya and all that. Like, it just feels like it was 2-3 years ago that I was coming as a youngster into the team and calling everybody bhaiya, and now I've become the bhaiya of the team. So I'm like, God, I hate when somebody calls me bhaiya and all. But yeah,
Why hate?
no, I mean, I still feel yeah, bro is still fine, but
But bhaiya is nice too, yeah. Bhaiya is so sweet.
It is sweet, but you can still call me KL. I'm very comfortable. See, this Yuzi is calling me bhaiya. He's 35 years old. He's calling me bhaiya. He's happily enjoying himself on his honeymoon.
Yeah. So, but I think it's sweet. I think it's really sweet that
Yeah,
they can call you bhaiya or bro or bhai.
yeah,
I think it is you now have a bigger job. Being a leader is not just going on the ground. Being a leader is off the
yeah,
field also.
yeah,
But I did जब मैंने रवि को देखती थी मैं तो इतना quiet उसके मुंह से hello मैम बस उतना ही निकलता था. But on the ground he was like ah.
yeah. Which is what I encourage people to do, because a lot of times in a team game and in a team environment, people think that only like anyone who just expresses on the field is only they are aggressive. Not everybody is like that. Some people are quiet, some people don't like to talk a lot, but that doesn't mean they're not aggressive. So sometimes in a team it gets mixed up, and I've had to face that sometimes, because I'm you know um, I'm a little quiet. I don't really, sometimes I forget that there are people around and I'm in my own zone. So they think I'm, not mingling or I'm not aggressive enough on the field. But that's something that, I always try to encourage people to just be themselves. If they're quiet boys, be quiet. It's absolutely fine to be yourself. And, the aggression automatically comes out when you're playing a sport with so many people screaming. The adrenaline, the aggression is going to come out. But I don't want to pull it out of somebody and try and make them feel the pressure to do something that they're not comfortable doing. So
Yeah, that
and
was Mayank also जब उसने वो winning shot मारा उसके बाद he went
yeah
शांत. Or even
yeah
Ashwin, look at Ashwin,
correct
he's so
yeah
शांत and
yeah
quiet,
yeah
but he's right like
he's aggressive. He's aggressive. Aggression is a state of mind, and I think every successful sportsman has that. So yeah. And then we have boys like Mandeep and Ashdeep and Brar. Yeah, they're like very chatty, very talkative, and they get the job done. So it'll be wrong for us to say that you need to focus, you need to do this, you need to do that, you need to be serious about the game. That won't help them play well. They know how to play well, so you got to yeah.
जब आपने 100 बनाया था आपने ऐसे किया था. What was this?
That is my signature celebration. It's a message to to block
To
out the to block out the noise, to people, to everybody. Log, it's such a you know in every walk of life, especially, I mean, so much more for a sportsman. There's so many people with opinions, so many people trying to pull you down, so many people trying to tell you you're not good, trying to tell you, okay, it was a fluke innings, he can't do it the next game. There's so many things that people keep saying. So this is to just tell people that people will not stop talking, but you can shut out the noise and continue being
oh,
great. Yeah,
wow, that's awesome. But I have a
yeah,
saying. Saying
yeah,
says the one that's trying to pull you down is already below you. So यानी कि
yeah,
जो आप नीचे खींच रहे हैं वो आपके
yeah,
नीचे.
yeah,
So it's good that you're saying that you block out the
yeah,
noise.
yeah.
And so I think we are going to be having more chats as you know we have काफी नई ताजी हो रही है Kings 11
Yes,
में.
yeah.
I think people will be happy. So tell me,
Can't wait. Yeah,
besides
yeah.
uh, uh, red, what is your favorite color? I just want to ask. Besides red,
Uh,
what colors do you like?
I'm actually a very black and white type of person. You'll always see me wearing either white or black, or I'm very solid that way.
Oh,
Colorful is my personality, so
तो जो बाकी colors पहनते हैं वो solid नहीं है.
वो भी solid है, but my personality is a lot more colorful than the clothes that I wear.
All right. So I
Yeah.
can see आप बार-बार पीछे रहे हो तो I know आपका खाना क्या हो रहा है. So I don't.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
But
I was trying to be subtle, but yeah, you
that's
pick.
not such.
Yeah.
This is not such.
You
Okay, can
pick
we
everything.
next? I just saw Ranveer saying "boss man," so that's can we
Boss.
yeah, can
Yeah.
we spend the next 5 minutes and then after that आप जा सकते हैं. I
Yes.
sorry, just answering questions. हाँ.
Yeah.
So अभी तो
Yeah. Heartthrob KLR. Ranveer Singh, I'd like to know who his favorite IPL team is. Yeah, put him on the spot.
Subtle
Yeah,
don't say, bro. Somebody has said,
DK, Dinesh Karthik. Yeah,
is that him?
yeah, that's him. Why? How am I being subtle? I'm being very normal.
Maybe I should read out the question.
Should we talk to DK about some trades here? Yeah. I have my eyes on a few of his players. He's not giving them to me for the last couple of years. Yeah.
Okay, and then lots of hearts coming, lots of love, guys. अगर सवाल पूछने अभी पूछ लीजिए, please,
Yeah.
because
Thank you.
you are very KL. Somebody has said. Okay,
That can mean a lot of things.
so okay, now Gagan is laughing and smiling.
Yeah.
नहीं आ रहे हैं. What's for dinner, Rahul?
Oh, I'm in a Mexican place, so I'm just ordered some guacamole, and I'm gonna eat some burrito bowl.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Or pretty. Dinesh is saying Shah Rukh Khan is up for trade.
That's not Dinesh. I think that's somebody else.
No, it is Dinesh. He's trying to trade his owner.
Oh, Taruk.
Yeah.
And I love the jokes, Dinesh. Wow, मैं ही आ
Yeah.
जाती हूँ, Dinesh. I'll come to you guys and
Yeah.
Taruk a big hug and just be. I'm sure you guys will throw me out very soon.
Yeah.
Then,
Uh,
Ma-
People are asking me how is my health. I just answered I'm feeling
nice,
very healthy.
nice cut.
Sorry?
Somebody said Rahul, nice shots. Side uppercut. Rahul, are you captain of new season?
Am I not?
I'm just asking the question.
Oh, okay.
So somebody asked, "Are you captain?" Of course, he is captain for new season. He'll be a captain for all seasons. We would want him to be a captain. And what is your favorite food, Rahul?
I love Mangalorean food. Yeah, Indian food. I love Indian food. Yeah,
Of Indian food too. I love.
yeah.
You know, the Indian food में इतनी जबरदस्त varieties होती है. I can eat Indian food all week, but now that I live in LA, I try to eat it at least all.
Yeah.
Jean can eat it twice a week, but मैं तो जब भी मुझे chance मिला, I like to cook. Can you cook, Rahul?
I tried my hand at cooking during the lockdown. My sister taught me a little, and I mean, few dishes, the basics. I think I can cook to survive.
Like what? What can you make? Don't say Maggie. Huh?
No. I wouldn't say Maggie.
Yeah.
Come on. I mean, I learned how to make a nice dal tadka, and I learned to make like what is that? I made some gravies. Obviously, if you learn one or two, I think you just experiment and learn. Yeah, I can make myself eggs, salads, smoothies. I always make my own breakfast most of the time. Make my smoothie and
Are you
yeah.
a beach person or a mountain person?
Am I a beach or a mountain person?
बीच में हूँ मैं बीच में हूँ
No, I grew up by the beach, so I love the water. I love the mountains also, but I love being around the water.
So you're more a beach person.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay. So I think now there are lots of hearts coming, lots
Yes.
of love, no real questions, just hello. And I'm going to ignore the next question that came.
I can't see any question.
It's saying come back to Bangalore. I'm totally ignoring that. So he is right now in Bangalore, so he's at home. That's fine.
Yeah.
So,
They get to keep me for 10 months of the year.
yeah, exactly. So you're there for 10 months and the rest you're with us. So Rahul, I'm sorry, I'm going to ignore, I'm going to not ignore the fact that आपको dinner खाना है. So go enjoy
Yes,
your
please. Thank you so much.
and thank you to all our fans for being so
Yes.
patient when we took time to come on. We love you. Watch out for
Love you guys. Yes, thank. Yeah, the next 2-3 weeks we're gonna have some very exciting news.
yes.
Yeah.
So watch out for it. And on parting shot, somebody wants to say, Rahul, please say something about Rohit.
Rohit Sharma.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a few questions about how I feel about opening with him. I think most of the times I'm in awe watching him bat from the other end. Um, so much grace, so much time. I mean, everybody loves watching him bat, and he's even now in Australia is batting so well. I wish he continues the form. And I spent a couple of days before coming back. I spent a couple of days with him, so he looked very focused. He looked very hungry to do well in Australia as well. So I wish him luck for the next game. Wish him and the Indian team luck.
Yes.
One more reason why you should let me go early is because I want to go sleep and wake up early to watch the test match. Um, the test match here in India starts at 5 a.m. So before my training, I'll have to wake up, watch a couple of sessions, and I'm supporting my boys, and yeah, hopefully they can pull out a victory this game and try and win the series.
Yes, all the best to Team India too. What can I say? That our hearts are blue, always blue.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm also a big fan of Rohit. And thank you, Rahul, for coming. You are absolutely hard. I know it's the middle of your dinner, but thank you. And thank you to all the fans. We love you. Bye.
Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye, PV.
Bye.